Hi everyone, it's Alyona here and welcome to your 10-minute yoga class. We are going to start on the yoga mat. Your feet are parallel, engage your legs and bring your hands on your sides. As you exhale, fold forward from your hips and bring your fingertips on the floor in front of you. Start stretching the back of your legs, your hamstrings, lifting the sitting bones towards the sky. And as you stretch through the sides of the body, fold forward, bringing your hands on the back of your head. Relax your neck fully. Couple more breaths here. Start bending your knees softly. Sit back and then extend your legs again. One more time. Bend your knees, sit back. Relax your neck fully. And extend your knees again. Stretch your legs. Relax your hands on the floor and place your hands as wide as your shoulders in line with your feet. Long inhale, and as you exhale, fold deeply, hinging from your hips. Make your legs strong and supportive. Press your feet into the floor and lift up through your knees. Engage your thighs. Wonderful. Come back to center. Let's take a twist. Bring your left hand under your left shoulder and lift your right arm up. Twist through your middle spine. As you exhale, bend your right elbow and bring your hand behind your back. Hold your left inner thigh. Then roll your left foot, heel in, toes out, and take a squat to Skandasana. Side lunge. Bending your left knee, keep your right leg extended fully. As you exhale, separate your arms out to the sides, keeping your left armpit in front of your left knee. Then come back to center and bring your hands to your heart, pulling your heart up. Stretch through the sides of the body. Stay in the pose. Let's take a side bend. Bring your right hand to your left shin bone. Grab hold, and from there start folding to your right, stretching through the sides of the body. If you can, lift your left arm up and over your head. Then lift your chest up to the sky and gaze up. Try to relax and come back to your breath. Inhale, come back to center, pull your hips up, Skandasana. And one more twist. Separate your arms, stay here. If you have enough space, bend your elbows and thread your arms behind your back, clasp your fingers. 5 breaths. Relax, push up, come back to center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift your chest and let's take a twist to the other side. Now lift your left arm up. Twist, press your right hand into the floor and support your twist. Go deeper. As you exhale, bend your left elbow and wrap your arm behind your back. Clasp your right inner thigh. Exhale, start bending the right knee and come to Skandasana, side lunge. Left leg extended fully. Separate your arms out to the sides and then come back to center. Connect your palms. Long deep exhale. Bring your hips down. Reach your left hand to your right shin bone, and as you exhale, Start bending to the side alongside your left leg. Reach your right arm up and over your head. Clasp your foot. Long deep inhalation. Long deep exhalation. Stay in the pose, focusing on the breath. On the next inhalation, push yourself up, spread your arms out to the sides, and take a bind. Reach back and clasp your fingers. Twist, look to your left. And then come back to center, push your hips up and fold forward again. Hands to your sides, lift up to standing. Let's go to our warrior sequence. Bring your right foot out, left foot in 45 degrees. Bend your right knee to 90 degrees, keeping your knee over the ankle. And lower your hips until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Spread your arms out to the sides and look forward. On the exhalation, bring your right hand down in front of your right foot. Sending the hips down, reach your left arm up and over your head. Hold it here or take a bind. Threading your right arm under your right thigh. Reach back and clasp your fingers. Pull your heart up and forward. Pull your belly button in. Then come back to center. Let's switch sides. Now open your left foot out, right foot in, bend the front knee, and look forward. Long inhalation. As you exhale, fold forward, reaching your hand in front of your left foot. Press your hand into the floor and reach your right arm up and over your head, one diagonal line from your right heel to your right hand. Look up. Hold it here or take a bind. Threading your left arm under your left thigh. Reach your right hand behind and clasp your fingers. Undo your twist, come back to center. Bring your heels in and toes out. Start bending your knees in direction with your toes. Couple more squats. Exhale down. Lift your right heel in, come back to center and lift up. Exhale down. Now lift your left heel off the floor. Come back to center and reach your arms up, lift up. Last time. Goddess pose. Hands to your inner thighs. Press your knees back, bringing the hips forward, opening the hips nice and wide. Balance your weight, bringing your weight to your right and then to the left. Then find your center. Engage your legs fully and bring your hands to your heart. If you can, lift your heels off the floor, reaching your arms up and over your head. Wonderful. Now release. Great. Let's fold forward again, bringing the hands behind the back, clasp your fingers and clasp your hands. Folding forward, relax your neck fully. Inhale. Stand up tall. Once again, heels in, toes out, goddess pose. Bend your knees, fold to your side, bringing the right elbow on top of your right thigh. Come back to center and switch sides. Left elbow on top of your left thigh. Reach your right arm up and come back to center. And lift your heels off the floor. Stay balanced for 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful. Hands down, hips up. Bring your heels in, toes out closer, and come to Malasana yogic squat. Press your elbows into your front knees. Hands to your heart. Long, deep inhale. And as you exhale, sit down, butterfly pose. Connect the soles of your feet together and separate your knees out wide. Long, deep inhale. Close your eyes and exhale fully side out. That's it for today. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.